Jessica Perez from Crossroads Church in Loveland, Colorado brings us these super cool modern Christmas trees. They're actually 16 foot tall, 14 feet 6 inches, is the smaller one, ladies and gentlemen, all created using Coroplast. You know this plastic. Corrugated sheeting material. It's lightweight, so easy to deal with, inexpensive too. If we talk numbers, $16.50, under $220. He says that wound painted black gives them some real muscle, adding some crumpled aluminum screening on top takes care. Versatility. I mean, who doesn't love a good tree? Sigma Epsilon Lambda M. Not low-selling you, but Jessica has done an amazing work, isn't she? Now let me ask you, have you become tired of those traditional Christmas decorations? Well, maybe it's time for something new and fresh, like these striking teams from this church stages in Loveland, Colorado. They're perfect for any holiday celebration or even as a standalone decoration. The best part, such designs are super affordable. Don't worry, having fun is free, so go ahead, get creative with your stage design ideas. Now, if we take a closer look at what makes these trees truly special, it's all about creativity and resourcefulness. Coroplast nails, wood painted black, crumpled aluminum screening. That's some great combination right there. I mean, who would have thought to use plastic sheeting on their tree? But Jessica did. She took an unconventional approach, and voila, now you have modern Christmas trees that will surely make everyone talk. Jessica has shared more step-by-step pictures of this amazing project on her blog, Creating with Jessica Perez, squarespace.com/stage-sets/2016/02/modern-christmas-trees, so be sure to check out the link in our description below for a detailed guide on how to create your own version at home or church stage. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.